In this video, I will show you how to change brightness on Google TV. So if you have a Google TV of any brand or any size, this is basically how to increase or reduce the brightness of the TV. Basically, you want to head over to the top right corner close to the Google TV logo over here. Come over to that settings icon and then you want to click on the settings icon from here. Now you just want to scroll down to the display and sound settings over here. Go ahead and click on it. Then click on the picture settings over here. Now from here, you can just scroll down to the brightness and then click on it. Then increase or reduce the brightness by simply using the left or right navigation buttons on your remote control. So just like so, you can literally see that the brightness is increasing. And if I want to reduce it, I will just go ahead and reduce it directly from here. If you do not see the brightness settings over here on the picture settings, you just want to scroll down to where you have advanced settings of your TV, and from here you should be able to change the brightness of the Google TV. If you also go back to the previous settings, you can go ahead and change other things like the sharpness, hue, saturation, contrast, and many other features directly from here. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.